Hey, this is Jason with the local locksmith company, and today I'm at the Red Lobster in Dearborn Heights, or Dearborn, Michigan, and they have a key broke off in one of their locks, so I'm going to take and get this key out real quick. Look, see the keys right there? So we'll pull the door open and we'll pop it. I'm going to hold my phone and try to pop it out real quick. All right. So here's the key, the lock. Let's drop the phone. The lock is clear. No more key inside of it. All right. Well, this is Jason with the local locksmith company. That seemed to be a pretty easy key extraction, and we try to make things easy. This is a local locksmith company. We're located in Trenton, Michigan, and we provide residential, automotive, and commercial locksmith services. And today, like I say, we're at the Red Lobster in Dearborn, or Dearborn Heights, on Telegraph Road. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, and you'll get more videos down the road. Thanks.